So how do you fix that pain hypersensitivity? Well, number one, we do have to fix the thing that's causing the pain in the first place. If there's an injury, if there's some instability, if there is something that's damaged, that's something that we definitely need to address. But how do we treat the nervous system that's very, very sensitive? The first and probably most important thing is movement. You've heard me say this over and over again, but movement is so important for a lot of things. Why? If you can train your body to move correctly in a manner that's not causing damage, even if it's causing pain, you can train the body into recognizing when pain does not equal damage. If you're moving the body correctly, you're not causing further issues. You might be causing pain, but slowly, as your body gets accustomed to it, you'll feel that pain less.